Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Inspire English podcast. I'm Emily, and I hope you're having a beautiful day wherever you are in the world.
And I'm David. Today's episode is special. Really, really special. Because we're talking about something that can transform your life starting today.
That's right. This episode is called It's Time to Change Your Life for Good.
Not temporary change, not change for 1 week. Real, meaningful, long-term change.
And of course, you'll be learning English throughout the entire conversation. So grab your coffee, relax, or maybe take a walk, and let's begin.
Emily, let's start with a question. Why do you think change feels so difficult for most people?
Oh, I love this question. Honestly, I think the biggest reason is fear. Fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of leaving our comfort zone.
Absolutely. It's like we all want a better life, but we're scared of what we might lose.
Exactly. But change is not about losing something. It's about gaining something better.
Yes, and if you're listening right now, I want you to remember this sentence. Nothing changes if nothing changes.
Oh, that's powerful. Say it again.
Nothing changes if nothing changes.
Write it down, repeat it, feel it.
Emily, I know you made a big change in your life years ago. Would you share that story?
Of course. So, years ago, I was living a life that didn't feel like my life. I worked long hours, I was stressed, and I kept saying, one day I'll change, one day I'll improve. But one day never came. Until one morning I woke up, looked in the mirror, and asked myself, Emily, are you living or just surviving?
Wow, that's a strong moment.
It was. And on that day, I decided to change for good. I quit my job, learned new skills, started teaching English online, and now I'm here, talking to thousands of learners around the world.
And inspiring them.
I hope so, because if I could change my life, anyone can. David, what about you? You always seem so confident, but I know you weren't always this way.
Oh, definitely not. I used to feel lost. I didn't know what I wanted. I doubted myself all the time. But one day, a friend told me something that I never forgot. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Make the moment perfect.
That gives me chills.
Me too. And that idea changed everything. I started learning new things, meeting new people, practicing new habits. Slowly, my life started moving in the direction I always dreamed of.
Okay, listeners, now it's your turn. Let's talk about practical steps you can take today to change your life.
Your mind is your engine. If your thoughts are negative, your life will be negative.
So true. I used to say, I can't, all the time. Now I say, I'm learning.
Yes, replace I can't speak English with I'm improving every day.
Small habits create big transformations. Read 10 minutes a day. Listen to English podcasts. Practice speaking.
Exactly. If you want a new life, you need new habits.
Your environment influences your energy. Keep people who support your dreams. If someone always brings you down, maybe it's time to create some distance.
Just one, not 10, one.
Start small. Stay consistent. That's how real change happens.
Let's pause, just for a minute. Take a deep breath and exhale.
Now ask yourself 3 questions. What do I really want? What is holding me back? What is one thing I can do today to move forward?
Keep those answers close to your heart.
David, If you could give just one piece of advice to someone who wants to change their life, what would it be?
I would say believe that you deserve better, because once you believe that, everything becomes possible.
Beautiful. Mine would be start before you're ready. You don't need permission. You don't need perfection. You just need courage.
And time. And patience. Change is slow, but so worth it.
To everyone listening, your life can change. Your English can improve. Your dreams are real. And the future is in your hands.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
We love you. We believe in you. And we'll see you in the next episode of the Inspire English podcast.